Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the anti-cheat blocking issue in Crimson Desert. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game, then right-click on it and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan your game and fix any corrupted or missing files that may be causing the anti-cheat to fail. Next, disable any overlays running in the background. Overlays from apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, or even Steam can sometimes interfere with anti-cheat systems like Denuvo. Turn off these overlays completely, then try launching the game again. After that, open Windows Security and add the Crimson Desert game folder as an exclusion. This stops your antivirus from blocking important anti-cheat files. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, scroll to Exclusions, and add the folder where your game is installed. Also, make sure you are not using a VPN. Anti-cheat systems may block connections coming from VPN services because they can look suspicious. Turn off your VPN completely before launching the game. Once you complete all these steps, try opening the game again. This should fix the anti-cheat blocking issue. Thanks for watching.